Brandon,
Hey,
do I spy a 13th colony?
yes, you do, but not just any 13th colony.
Which one?
This is the Cask Strength 13th colony bourbon.
Ooh.
I picked this up when I was out of town for work. This is the 2025 batch coming in at 120.65 proof.
Ooh,
She's a spicy meatball.
nice.
Yep. I had a little downtime, so I was able to go for a couple of quick little hunt outings. And this was actually, somebody had stashed this apparently, and I found it behind some other regular bourbon bottles.
Yeah, that's why you always have to look like on the shelves and what's behind the shelves, because sometimes people will hide stuff.
Now, we enjoy 13th Colony. We like the regular bourbon. The regular rye's good, but the sour mash was fantastic that we had. And we have had...
the sour mash, the one that we opened at Hadley's?
Yeah, that one that's no longer made.
I wasn't that big of a fan of that one.
Well, one you were a really big fan of, as was I, the double oak that we had for Marty's birthday.
Yes, that was pretty good.
That was fantastic whiskey. Wow, just pouring this in the glass, the viscosity on this is very, very thick.
For the proof, it's not
It's got great
offensive
color
on the nose. I mean, the ethanol is minimal.
Great color. Oh, the legs are just
all zoom it in there.
All over the glass.
There's some legs there.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. That is so sweet. That's like vanilla.
There is vanilla.
There's caramel.
I'm getting a pear.
You know what? It's almost like a Werther's Original, the hard candy.
I can see that too.
That kind of butterscotchy, but mostly caramel. It's got a buttery note to it as well.
I'm just getting a pear on the nose.
I'm getting bright fruit. So I could see pear and maybe some apple. But
apples are usually, that note on the apple is more pronounced than the pear. The pears are more...
Or maybe that Asian pear that I like so much. That's probably what it is.
A crisp, light,
but sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. That Asian pear, but man, you get so much vanilla. I'm getting caramelized sugar, like a creme brulee sugar, that type of caramel.
Well, I'm more like a craft caramel, the chewies.
Either way, that nose that's nice. I like that.
It does have a nice nose.
And for almost 121 proof, I am not getting any sting in the nose. And fresh crack.
I mean, I've got my nose in here, and I'm not getting ethanol.
Oh, I'm taking up some serious real estate in this glass, and it's not throwing me back.
Some nasal real estate.
Yep, absolutely. See, look.
Yeah.
I'm not.
My nose is all the way in it, and it's just sweet.
Well, let's see if this wonderful nose translates to the palate.
On the nose. What is that? That is honeysuckle. Go high in the glass. I got honeysuckle. Yeah, I can see it comes through on the palate. That floral, honey, sweet, the caramelized sugar. You get that sweet oak.
Honeysuckle on the palate,
Oh man.
cinnamon on the finish.
Yeah, I'm picking it up, the cinnamon, but it's not harsh. It actually accents it beautifully.
Gotta get a second taste just to be sure.
Oh, this is nice, nice, nice. Not as nice as the double oak, but I like it. That pear note we were talking about on the second sip, that brightness in the beginning when it first hits the palate, then it transitions over to that vanilla and that caramel, and then it rolls a little bit deeper, and then you get into the sweet oak in there. But the whole time, I'm not getting a hug. This is 121 proof almost. I'm not getting a hug.
I can feel the proof in my mouth, but on the palate, no. On the palate, I am getting pear and honeysuckle.
Yeah, that definitely comes through.
On the finish, I'm getting a cinnamon, like Atomic Fireball cinnamon.
Or the little red hot candies.
Hot tamales, yeah.
Yeah, or the little round red hots.
Yep, that's
down
it.
in the box.
Hot tamales, red hots, they're all cinnamon candies.
But toned down. It's there. It's a sweet cinnamon, like a candied cinnamon.
It's a candied cinnamon, but not like when the finish of the candied cinnamon.
Correct.
Not like when you're actively eating that candy.
But oh man,
because it's not that sweet, but it definitely has that cinnamon finish. That's interesting.
I like this a lot.
I want butter popcorn.
Kettle corn. Kettle corn. Why not?
It takes me to movie night.
I tell you what, I paid with tax $90
Okay.
in Missouri for this. I think it was money well spent. This is really good.
Seriously, I'm like
really, really good.
But to me, this is one of those fun drinks. This is one of those fun, you sit back and be entertained.
I mean, I could even see this. It's got the proof. It can stand up to a good steak and baked potato.
Yeah.
Cigar pairing, whatever your favorite cigar is.
Oh,
this would hold up very nicely to it.
A Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, with the smoky provolone and the sweet peppers and the caramelized onions. Yeah, that would go really well with that.
This one's party in the mouth.
Oh yeah, I mean, granted, it's the 13th Colony Double Oak is fantastic. This is a little bit more attainable than that.
Okay, but to me, it's a party in the mouth.
It's a great pour.
And I have to think about when I'm in a theater. What do I want when I'm at a theater? This to me would be a fantastic theater pour. I mean, a lot of times we get margarita or wine. Sometimes they'll have some bourbon, like an old fashioned that you can make.
And they're okay.
Yeah, I would get an old fashioned and then I would sneak this in
so good.
Mid movie and fill up my glass after I had my old fashioned at the theater.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So I got to sneak in a flask of that.
Yeah, or something like this would make an excellent dessert pour, an after dinner pour.
Give me a good action film. I want that in the movie theater.
You know what? John Wick can have all that Blanton's. I'll drink this.
That's true.
I'm just saying that's good. Well, except for the straight from the barrel.
I would drink that watching John Wick.
Oh,
in a heartbeat.
I would watch it in a house. I would watch it with a mouse. Absolutely. I mean, this would be great to sit back and relax. This is something you definitely want to sit with and you want to think about and everything and just kind of dissect all these complex flavors because it goes
It almost goes the full spectrum, minus like a sour.
And this one, because it is so full bodied, I want something to lighten it up.
Mm-hmm.
A Groovy Blue. Groovy Blue will give me the fruit notes and stuff and kind of tone it down.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, that is a very dominating pour.
Yeah. My Macanudo M's that I've been enjoying lately would be fantastic.
Yeah, because it gives you your
It gets it'll you'll get that sweet cream and the coffee note along, and you get kind of a little bit of a chocolate as well. I think that would accentuate this so well.
I didn't think about pairing chocolate with that.
Yeah. Speaking of which, do you know we do lives on Tuesdays? That's right. We're going live tonight again, 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come have a pour with us, hang out, ask us questions. You know, let's just talk life, food, cigars, and whiskey, and have fun.
And tonight we are going to feature one of our favorite distilleries.
Oh yes, we will.
So you definitely want to stay tuned and tune in for that one and see what we got to say. And hey, we've been to the distillery, so shoot us some Q&A. That's what we're here for. Yeah.
So make sure you guys, you want to watch us live. If you haven't already, and based on the algorithm, about 85% of you are not subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and you'll know when we put out new content like this. And you guys can join us live.
Yes.
Costs you nothing, and you get to hang out with us.
Right.
And more importantly, we get to hang out with you guys and share our bourbon journey with you.
Yes, because we want to bring some tasting notes and some pairing notes that we get and talk about the distillery, because we've been there, and anybody's got questions, we've got answers.
Absolutely. All right. Well, I think that's going to do it for us today on this recorded broadcast. Everybody, make sure you tune in tonight, 7:30 Central, 8:30 p.m. Eastern.
That's right. And just remember, we only have this one life to live.
So make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey.
Until next time, our friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.